Good day, sir and madam. I am May Anchodoro. I'm 26 years old. I'm single. I have 1 children. I am high school graduate. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money to support my family.
How are you, Miss Mary Ann?
I'm fine, madam, sir. Thank you.
Did you work abroad before?
Yes, I have.
Where?
In Qatar for 2 years.
And in Kuwait? Did you work in Kuwait also?
Yeah, I worked in Kuwait also for 2 years.
2 years. Okay. How many members of the family did you serve?
They were 5 families.
How many children?
They have 3 children.
How old they were?
They are 5, 4, and 2.
Okay. You know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes.
Kindly tell us how.
Feed them, take a bath, change diaper.
Okay. Can you sing children's song?
Yes, I can.
Please try.
I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me?
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I
Can you follow recipe book?
Yeah.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Lebanese food and Filipino food.
Okay. Describe your personal character.
Hardworking, honest, loyal, respectful, and friendly.
How can you say that you will be a good domestic helper?
I will follow all rules and regulations of my employer.
And will you promise to finish the 2 years contract?
I am promised to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay. Thank you.